how to integrate Clover with QuickBooks. So hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will teach you how you will be able to integrate our Clover together with our QuickBooks over here. So it's actually very simple and very straightforward. So first things first, open your QuickBooks and look over here on the left side. In the left side, this is where you will be able to find our different tools in QuickBooks. So simply navigate over here at the bottom section. You will be able to find an option called Apps, in which you can simply click on Find Apps option over here at the bottom. Click on Find Apps, and over here, you will see a search bar. This page will be dedicated to finding all the different apps that you can install into your QuickBooks or Connect, of course. And in this, what you're going to simply put is our Clover name or Clover app. So simply search Clover over here, click on enter, and you will be able to see two different tools over here that would support you or that would support integration to go there with Clover. Simply select the one that you like. As you can see, Clover is part of the options that you could connect with. So simply click on Get App Now and you will be able to integrate Clover together with your QuickBooks. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.